Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we have a Porsche GT3 997 Mark II manual gearbox. Customer wanted us to do a sport exhaust, full upgrades. So we're having the actual bypass side mufflers, bypass here as well, and what we're doing extra underneath as well. We're going to fit the competition headers. So the header's going to come off, these ones here. That's the factory headers, they're going to come off. So pretty much everything will be actually a sport exhaust, but more high flow as well. So the only thing we're going to retain from the actual factory system is the actual vacuum lines. We're going to connect the vacuum lines to the new system that we're going to have. But at the moment, this is the car when it's actually before we actually do the actual performance upgrade. We're just going to do a sound check so we can compare it to the other one. Alright, rev it! We turn it off. Alright, now this is the factory exhaust at idle, and this is like factory exhaust when we rev it up. So now we're going to actually remove all this, and then we'll do a sound check compared to the actual soul performance upgrade that we're doing. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.